Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create this hairstyle. This is a waterfall half up hairdo. It's very simple and easy to accomplish with these steps that I'm going to share with you. I'm also going to link all of the hair products below that I'm using today, so including hair accessories, the best hair tools to achieve this look. This was a request coming in from Maddie, so thank you Maddie for sending in the request to learn how to do this hair look. I did this hairstyle in my last makeup tutorial, so some of you may have seen that, and I'm excited to show you how I achieved this look. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so step one, I am literally going from a bun that I haven't washed my hair in a couple of days, so this is not like new hair, this is a couple days old, and I'm going to show you the products that I use to really like vamp up my hair and make sure that it looks and feels fresh and looks beautiful. I personally like to style my hair after a few days. Since I washed it, I just feel like it's easier to style. It holds the style a lot better. So the first product that I recommend to achieve this look is a dry shampoo, and I have a couple here. I actually ran out of my full size of the chlorine, but this is the chlorine, and I keep this one in my gym bag. This comes in a larger size as well. But I like this one, and then also there's Petite, which is a great affordable product that you can just grab at Ulta. Both of these are located at Ulta actually. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this dry shampoo, which what that does is it just absorbs the oil in your hair, and it also makes it really easy to style your hair. So it's going to give your hair volume. If you feel like your hair is flat or you don't get enough volume, this will really help to texturize your hair and give it a nice lift. So I'm going to show you how I use this product. So you just shake it a little bit and you'll just spray just right there in the front, and you can really take that all the way through. You'll just part and just go right through your hair like this. And then you just take your hand and just brush it through. Oh! Next, I'm just going to take the MintPear detangling brush and comb through my hair with the dry shampoo. Now the next step is to obviously go through and kind of calm down your hair. If you have hair that's my texture, which can get pretty wavy and pretty wild, then you'll want to take a straightener to it, and I'm going to show you how I create some of these subtle waves, but mainly I'm just trying to take out some of that wild frizz that's going on. So I'm waiting for this to heat, and I'm just going to divide my hair into half. And what I'm going to do is just basically divide my hair into these little 2-inch pieces, and I'm mainly focusing on getting the hair flat from the root, and then I'm going to flip the straightener and go away from my face and pull it this way to get a little bit of a curl at the end, and then I just twist it. And fast forward, I have straightened my entire hair, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my hair where I'm going to do the half updo. Now personally for this look, I prefer this look to be right here by my temples rather than right in front of my ears. Some people will do this look right above their ears, but I personally like my hair to come down over my ears in this look, so I will just go right next to my eyebrows, and I will just take the hair right here, and I will just go straight up and just grab the hair, divide the hair, and now you have this separated. I'll just take my detangling brush and make that very smooth. Don't worry about these flyaways. We will handle these in just a little bit. But what I'm going to do now is just take an elastic, and I prefer to use a color that is closest to your own color, and that way it will just, whoops, blend in well. And then you're just going to take this for now and put it in an elastic. It doesn't have to be too tight, but you definitely don't want it to move. And there is the first portion, and you can just kind of pull the hair so you don't have any holes showing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this forward, and we want some volume back here, especially since, you know, this might look pretty flat once you pull this portion out of your way. So you're going to take the top layer, which is just like this. And then you're going to need a comb that is like this. And you're just going to go from about halfway. And you're just going to go, don't go all the way through your hair. Just go halfway through your hair. And you're going to go all the way down. Just gentle. And make sure it's very even. But again, don't go all the way through your hair, just halfway. That way you won't get any of this frizzy happening here. It will only stay in the back part of your hair. And then you're going to leave that piece forward and go for the next layer, which is about like this. And again, the same thing. Just go halfway and down. And we're going to do 3 layers. So we're going to do another one. And why do we do 3 layers? That's basically to prevent your hair from just having volume at the top and then being flat. So this will give it a nice rounded lift all the way through the back. So I'm just going to spray this. This is also a heat protectant. Wow, you cannot see my face right now, can you? I'm gonna flip everything over. Just like this. And now you have this massive poof, right? This bouffant. So you're just going to finger this out a little bit. The next step is taking this little device that I found on Instagram. I was like retargeted a million times and I finally purchased this. So this video is not sponsored, but I really do love this product, and this is from Ponytail. And basically this is just going to give your little ponytail a lift. I use these at the gym, I use these everywhere because they're just perfect. They keep your ponytail in place, and they also give you just a little bit of volume. So you're just going to put this right over your elastic, and what you're going to do is just squeeze it flat, and then you're going to take one end and just bend it, and you're going to take the other end, make sure your elastic is down in there, and you're going to bend the other one. So you basically have bent it like this. Flip it back. Okay, and now we want to conceal this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some hair from the back. You're going to take about this much hair from the back, and you're just going to twist this part of your hair. You get forward and twist. And you're just going to wrap this around your little ponyo. I'm going to take a bobby pin and you're just going to pin that right in. I like to take a couple bobby pins to just make sure that it's in there. You want to pull it just a little bit out to make it so it's not too flat. Now we want to tame these little baby hairs that are everywhere. So what we're going to do is I'm basically just going to put a little bit of hairspray on my fingers. So I took a little bit of hairspray on my fingers, and I'm just going to pull these down and just comb them basically down with the hairspray. So you want to poof this a little bit. So what we're going to do is that same technique where I take the comb and I'm just going to divide it into 2. And I'm going to leave that front part without any teasing But the back part, I'm going to take and I'm going to do that same thing where I go halfway and just give a little bit of volume all the way through this little ponytail. Just like that. And that's really going to thicken up the entire look. And again, to calm any of these little flyaways, I'll just use a little bit of hairspray. And just basically comb those down. And there is the final and completed look. Super easy, very simple, beautiful waterfall updo hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, of course leave your comments below. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you know when my new videos are live on my channel. Thank you so much for all of your comments and your support. I love you. I want you to have a beautiful day. I hope you try this hairstyle, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.